Welcome to the series of Pandas data frame tutorial. Today we'll be talking about head and tail method in Pandas data frame. But before we start, I request you to please subscribe the channel for the coming videos. Now let's get started. So head and tail method is used in Pandas to view a small sample of a series or data frame object. That means it could be used with data frame or series object, and we use head for the top rows and we use tail to get the sample of a series or data frame object of the bottom rows. Okay, and the default number of element to display is 5. So there are two ways. I have already imported Pandas SPD, and I have taken two series and I have created data frame through the series, and I have given the column heading as name and age. Now just displaying the data frame object, shift and enter. As you can see, this is my data frame. Okay, so as you can see, there are 8 rows here. Now if I want to just extract the top few rows, or what can I do? If I want to extract top few rows only, I can use the head method, and if I want to extract the bottom few rows, then I can use tail method. Okay, so if I use df and dot head, so this is one way when you are not passing any argument. So can you see this? I have kept it empty. So when you do not pass any argument in your method and then you execute it, the default number of rows which is displayed is 5. Okay, so this is when we do not pass any argument. But in case if I want to extract only top 2 rows, then I can use the same method with argument, and in this I can pass the number of rows, like shift and enter, and I have passed 2 as an argument here, and as you can see we are getting 2 rows only. So this head method can be used to extract the top rows of your data frame. And I'll just take one more example. Instead of 2, if you pass 10, then what will happen? Shift and enter. So as you can see in my data frame, there are only 8 rows. Then I have passed a 10, then also it's not giving me any argument. That means even if you pass the number which is beyond the number of rows, Python Pandas will not give you any error in that case, and it will extract the top rows. So coming to the next, which is tail method. Tail method, as I told you, it is used to extract or retrieve the bottom rows, and the way is you pass df, which is the data frame object, dot tail, and if you do not give any argument like head and you execute it, shift and enter, you can see it's giving me the bottom 5 rows. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. So the default is 5 rows, and tail will give you the bottom rows. And if you give any argument, for example, I'll give it here only. If I give 2, then it will give me the bottom 2 rows. Okay, you can even pass the number of rows which is beyond the number of rows of your data frame. It will not give you any error, and it will give you the complete data frame. One more thing I want to tell you, head is used to extract the top rows, tail is used to extract the bottom rows, and what if you want to extract some rows in between, then you can use data frame object, and then in this you can use slice. Then I'll pass here 2 slice 4. So when you execute it, you can see you'll get 3 and 4. Okay, and what is 3 and 4? That means it's the this is 0, this is 1, and this is 2, but this is for the index. Okay, we are passing the index here, and in head and tail it's the number of rows, not the index. Just remember this thing. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 2. Okay, so 2 and this is 3. Okay, 4 will not be included here. That's why it's displaying P3 and P4, and P5 is not displayed. Why? Because this is 0 1 2 3 and 4, so the end index is not included. So 2 slice 4 means 2 index slice 2 and 3. Okay, so that's all for today's class. We'll see more about data frame in our next class. Thank you for watching.